In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix 0x80070020 Windows Update error on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. So simply follow the on-screen instructions and after running the Windows Update troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then the next thing that we can do is to perform the SFC scan. So for that, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option that is Run as Administrator in the right pane. Here, simply type sfc space /scan now. The command will also be posted in the description box below. Hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. So this may take for like 15 minutes or 10 minutes. Just simply wait for the process to be done depending on your Windows. But anyway, once this is done, once it is completed, type exit in the command prompt window, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.